Hello everyone, this is Driven Nerds Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you a custom in this video. So today, I am going to be showing you my Trackmaster Custom, the Gray Tender Engine from Big World Big Adventures. This was made out of my old Trackmaster Henry. And ever since that I got the motorized Henry and Winston, I decided that the new one will be replacing my old one. And I decided to turn it into the Gray Tender Engine, as you see it in my previous video. So, this Gray Tender Engine appeared in Big World Big Adventures, and then Thomas and the Monkey Palace, and then its last appearance in Thomas Makes a Mistake. So, yeah, let's take a look at the front of the engine first. So, at the front, the face is exactly the same. So, the face is exactly the same. And I sprayed it in gray primer, but I do not even literally have any, so I decided to use gray primer instead. And this is how it looks like. And I also Sharpie painted I Sharpie painted the buffers and the coupling itself, and the cylinder in silver, and then I acrylic painted the wheels in a lighter shade of yellow, despite that my yellow spray paint isn't working very well. And maybe in the future, when I get some more yellow spray paint, I will fix that problem. But this will have to do for now on. And also for the part of the handrail, I silver Sharpie painted it. And what I did here is I taped and masked the windows, and it looks pretty good. At least I'm trying my best. And for this rectangle thing, the rectangle, it has been done by me with Sharpie paint pens that I did on both sides. And it looks really good. Looks really good. And it didn't turn out bad. It turned out pretty good. Anyway, that's the engine itself. Now let's take a look at its tender. So, what I basically did is I took it apart and sprayed it in primer, and then let it dry, and then gave it the rectangle lining, and this is how it looks. So at the front here, it's nothing, and on the other side, I literally did the rectangle lining, and then I literally done that yellow. And I done that yellow stepladder detail, and then I painted the wheels in a lighter shade of yellow, and then I Sharpie painted the buffers black, and also I painted the top black, and this is, I painted an acrylic paint. And for the coal load, some of the primer got onto the coal, but that's alright. Oh yeah, and on the other side, I did the exact same thing, as well as that step ladder and the wheels. So yeah, it still rolls a little bit well. Yeah, the acrylic paint could chip off sometimes, but that's okay. If I had the budget to get another yellow spray paint, then I will fix that problem and make it look a lot better. But for now, this will have to do. But overall, I did really good on this gray Tender Engine custom. And I had been planning to do this for like about probably a year or 2 years ago, since I saw a video uploaded by HunterTube. And I thought maybe that will be a very interesting idea. And then maybe in the future, if I can get another Henry, I will turn it into Big City Engine. I'll turn it into Big City Engine and make the smoke deflectors out of cardboard, and for the face, I might have to chop it off or something. So, yeah. I did pretty good for the gray Tender Engine from Big World Big Adventures. Anyways, I might have to give this probably a 9 out of 10. It's a pretty good custom. And this is my second recolored custom since my very first one, the Chinese Tender Engine. So that's pretty good. And I will make more recolored engines like this once I get 2 Raoul's to make one of them into Logan and the other the Brazilian steam tank engine. But for now, this will have to do. Anyway, let's get started by giving the gray Tender Engine a run. And that concludes the run on the gray Tender Engine from Big World Big Adventures. I am very proud how I just turned it out. And also this custom was made like about last month. So, yeah, and same for my blue Henry, which I will get to for another video. But overall, I did really good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to. Do you think that my custom is pretty good, or do you think it's okay? Because I'm perfectly fine what people say about recolored engines, because they do not even literally like it and hate the fact that one of the engines are recolored. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine what people say about recolored engines, and I will respect them if they don't like them. Anyways, this is Draven Arts Productions, and I'll see you in the next video.